Permatex Bullseye Windshield Repair Kit is an easy repair for your damaged windshield with a bullseye crack up to 1.25 inches wide. Using the push pin, clean out any loose debris from the bullseye. Position the adhesive seal over the pit in your windshield such that the pit is within the central hole of the adhesive seal and the adhesive seal's tab is pointing upward. Once the adhesive sealing disc is in position, remove the backing off one side of the adhesive sealing disc. With the tab facing up, line up the hole of the adhesive sealing disc with the center of the pit. Place the pedestal over the adhesive seal by lining up the center of the pedestal with the pit within the center hole of the adhesive seal and matching up the tabs. Press the pedestal down into the adhesive seal. Press the pedestal all the way out to its edges to ensure that the pedestal is totally adhered and there are no air bubbles. Dispense about 3/4 of the resin into the pedestal. Make sure to save a little bit for later on. Apply a vacuum to the pedestal by pulling up the plunger of the injector with one hand while holding the barrel of the injector with the other until the plunger's lower notch is outside the barrel. Engage the lower notch in the plunger with a spring clip to lock the plunger in place to hold the vacuum. Take your hands off the injector and allow it to remain in lock position for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove injector and allow air to enter the pedestal. Then, reinsert the injector and push down to the upper notch and lock in place for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove all pieces of the kit and clean extra resin and material with a safety razor and wipe. Then, apply resin in the pit and place the adhere strip on top and let rest in direct sunlight for 15 minutes. Remove the strip with the safety razor and smoothen if necessary with the razor.